Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing Chevening Scholarship for 2026 in UK. It is a fully funded scholarship for 1 year master's degree or MPhil degree. Deadline is 7th October 2025. There are very huge financial benefits of this scholarship, so let's discuss them. Full tuition fee coverage, monthly stipend for living cost, free UK student visa, round trip economy class airfare tickets, arrival cash card to overcome initial expenses, cost of quarantine if required, reimbursement for TB test, and additional grants for essential expenses. Okay, so the requirements are citizenship in a Chevening eligible country, return requirements that you must return in home country maximum 2 years after the program end, full-time master's program, undergraduate degree is required, and you must apply to 3 eligible UK master's courses and have unconditional offer from at least one of them. Work experience is minimum of 2 years. If you don't have work experience, you can add your internship experience, and that must be of 2 years. Dual British citizens or British nationals are not eligible except for British overseas citizens from Hong Kong. Then again, there is eligibility status, and then government and Commonwealth affiliation. Individuals who are employees, former employees, or relatives of UK government or Commonwealth university staff are not eligible. Applicants working with Chevening partner organizations are not eligible, and individuals already studying in UK under UK government are not eligible for Chevening. The application process is online and complete English. First, create an account on their official website, then provide your accurate personal information and active email address. There are some navigation tips. Now forward to essay questions. It includes 4 mandatory essay questions. Maximum limit is 500 words. You can check it on MS Word software or any other to check words count. And your data does not auto save, you have to save it manually. Flexible application timings. You can submit the data and requirements in parts, and you have only 3 chances to correctly submit the eligible form. You cannot edit your application after submission, and requires 2 recommendation letters from a high ranked person. If you want to apply in this scholarship, check out the link in the description. This is the main website, and there are Afghanistan, Chevening Scholarship for Algeria, Angola, and you can search your country above. Here I am selecting country Pakistan. And award is scholarship. We can cover fellowship in another video, and let's search now. So this is the Chevening in Pakistan. Deadline is 7 October 2025 till 12. These are the details about Chevening Scholarship and university. Then there are how to apply in the scholarship requirements. Let's check out the eligibility criteria. Okay, so these are all the points we have discussed earlier, and you must ensure to meet all of these. Okay, so this year only 2 updates are more mentioned. That your work experience must be after your bachelor's degree. Second one is changes with the application form, better alignment, etc. You can read out all the details on their official website. After reading all the details, you can apply for the scholarship. There are some tips for successful application form. Answer the pre-screen questions correctly. Pay attention to eligibility sections. Do not fill your application form in a hurry. Be accurate with your work experience. Don't exaggerate it. You must have at least 2 hours. If you don't, you can apply next year. Make sure you do not have dual citizenship, especially with British, and do not enter the same course twice for one university. And it is recommended to choose different courses at different universities. Do not use AI or ChatGPT to copy paste your essay content. Write on your own, but you can always take help. Make sure not to exaggerate the words limit. maximum 500 words. Complete the declaration section carefully. Although English certificate is not required at this step, but still having this is a plus point. Then how to apply for this scholarship? Check out the link in the description for their official website and apply through that link. If you have any questions, you can always ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for further updates.